guys, it's Jessie Lipke. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be making stuffed peppers. If you haven't tried these before, they are a must try. It's a great way to enjoy your vegetables, packed with flavor. We're also going to be serving this dish up with some grilled chicken. This is just an easy way to get some more protein in. So let's get started. These are all of the ingredients that you're gonna need for today's stuffed peppers. So we have 4 red bell peppers. We're gonna be chopping up 1 cup of leek, 4 cups of spinach. We have 2 tablespoons of fresh dill and 2 tablespoons of fresh parsley, 4 cloves of garlic, and then I'm using 1/4 cup of cream cheese, and then we have 1 cup each of mozzarella cheese and Parmesan cheese. So go ahead and grab all of those ingredients. Before we cut our peppers, make sure your oven is preheated to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. After you've washed your bell peppers, we're going to cut the top off and remove the inside seeds. Perfect. Okay, so just scoop the inside out. I'm gonna get all of those seeds removed. We have all of our seeds removed. That's our first one done. So bring your water to a boil, and then we're going to slowly add our red peppers. Cover your pot with a lid. We're gonna leave this for 5 minutes. Keep an eye on your peppers because we wanna make sure that they don't get too soft. It's been 5 minutes, let's take a look. Perfect, that's good. So we're gonna remove that and we're gonna put it down on some towels as we prepare our filling. Bring your pan to medium-high heat and we're gonna add 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Once your pan is nice and hot, we're gonna add our leeks and our garlic. Just going to cook this for about a minute. Once you start having a bit of bubbling around your garlic, you can add your spinach. Now we're going to add half at a time, just so that there's enough room in the pan. And you're going to see this is going to soften into the skillet quite a bit. Once that first half of spinach wilts into the skillet a bit, then we can add the rest. And then mix that. So it's been a few minutes and our spinach is nice and wilted, so we're going to go ahead and remove this from the heat. Okay, it's time to assemble the rest of our filling. So we're going to go ahead and add our fresh herbs. Starting with our dill and our parsley. We're going to add our cheese. This is our Parmesan, this is our mozzarella, and our cream cheese. And then mix. Just adding a pinch of salt. All right, so our filling's done. We're going to go ahead and stuff our peppers. Let's go. Olive oil, and then we're going to grease up our pan a bit. Make sure that gets all of the corners. Add our peppers in. And then add your lids. Drizzle with a generous amount of olive oil. We're going to pop this in the oven for 25 to 30 minutes. While my stuffed peppers are in the oven, I'm gonna go ahead and prepare my chicken. So we're just gonna start, get some saran wrap down, and then add our chicken, and we're gonna flatten this out a bit just to get a nice even cook. A bit of salt, some powder, a bit of garlic powder. Make sure your chicken is evenly coated. Bring your pan to medium-high heat and we're gonna add 1 tablespoon of olive oil. And we're gonna cook for about 4 minutes each side. It's been about 4 minutes, so we're gonna flip our chicken. So we're gonna let that cook for another 4 minutes. Peppers are done. They smell incredible. We're just waiting on our chicken to finish up and then we're done. So that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoy. Make sure to give this recipe a try and we'll see you next time.